Hi guys, hope you all are well. So today I'm going to share my Club Factory accessories haul. So I think last week I shared a picture on my Instagram asking if you guys want to see my huge accessories haul from Club Factory, and I got 95% yes. So I thought it's best to film a haul video, and this time I did not buy any clothing item, which is what I generally do when I'm shopping online from Club Factory and such websites. This time I decided to pick jewelry, a lot of jewelry. That's why I have no jewelry on right now, because I'm going to try out each and every piece here, and I'm going to link everything in the description box. So this is the package everything came in, and I was really impressed to see that each and every piece was packed separately in these bubble pouches, because these are lined with bubble wrap inside. So each and every piece came really nice and intact. Without wasting much time, let's just quickly jump into it, because I think I have more than 20 pieces to go. First thing first, I was really interested in picking a cute headband, because hairband, sorry, because I love wearing hairbands. Because I love to keep my hair up when it's summer. I don't really want it to fall on my face. So first thing is this hair band, and it has studs. This is very pretty, and believe me or not, I have picked similar hairband for my daughter, and it looks like there are two hairbands in one. I'll show you how it looks on me. It looks pretty nice. See, I'm really loving this one. Even my daughter wants to wear it. I was waiting to film this haul, and then now I can give it to her. So this was for 199 rupees, and I picked similar hairband for her from Jabong for, I guess, 250 or 220, even after I think 50% off. So I'm not justifying the prices here, but I'm telling you that I have paid more on Jabong for similar hairband, and that one had white studs. This one has black, so I like it much more than the previous one. So this one is really good quality. So I'm into hoop earrings these days, and I'm seriously loving the hoops. So this is the one I've picked from Club Factory. It's a beautiful multicolored hoop. Can you see? It's so pretty. So they have glued some glitters on. I'm going to wear and show it to you. This looks beautiful. This looked beautiful online, and I'm even happy to see how it looks offline. So can you see earrings? So pretty. It's catching light, and it's looking very chic. And at the same time, you will look really nicely accessorized without looking over the top. So these are very pretty. And I think this is for 170 rupees. Slightly overpriced, but very pretty. The stuff is very different. It's not metal. Next I have here is, I think it's a multi-layered chain. It's a beautiful chain. See, it's so pretty. It's very pretty and very dainty. This is so pretty. It's very dainty. It's very feminine, and it doesn't feel cheap, but it's very fragile, because the chain is pretty thin. But can you see how sparkly it is? Next up, we have another pair of hoop earrings. Let's try them on. So these are the earrings, and they have this shimmer glitter on, like silver glitter, and these are made of metal, but they feel quite fragile. Not cheap, but these are pretty thin. So these are the hoop earrings, and they look so good. They are all sparkly, and they are looking really nice, and they feel really light on the ears, and I'm really loving the style. Next up, I have another hairband, and this is a fuzzy cat ear style. I really wanted to buy these for my Instagram videos, and also for my daughter. Can you see? It's so pretty. And this is for 180 rupees. Obviously it's expensive, but it's very pretty. It has this frizzy frizzy thing all over it, and it doesn't feel cheap. It's pretty sturdy. I have another pair of earrings. These are so pretty. I'm really digging the blinding crystal work, stud work. I don't know what it is, but they are very beautiful, and they will look really beautiful for wedding parties, ceremonies, and these are pretty lightweight, and they are very sparkly, very beautiful. These are for 200 rupees again. Next I have another necklace, and this is like really interesting. This is the necklace, and it looks like it has, this is like an oxidized gold, and it has this berry style stuff going on, and then there is this part. I'll just wear it. My plain black tops and my plain black kurtis that I wear all the time. I didn't have this kind of a beautiful, simple but yet quirky necklace. This is how it looks. Looks pretty nice, and that's how it will look. This is very pretty. I really like it. This is very cute, and this is for 277. Obviously expensive, so but very pretty, very cute. I really love it. Next up we have another neck piece, and this one again looks a very dainty, soft one. This is again a double layered one, like this. But this is quite long, but it will look like this. It has a beautiful pearl hanging from the longest one, and it's pretty long. And I really like the pearl thing here. Next up we have another necklace, and I did not like it because it was not made of any metal. It feels very cheap, it looks very cheap, it's very lightweight. And have you heard of lakh? Like in North India there is a metal called lakh, which looks like metal, but with actually is, I think, some kind of plastic thing which breaks off, snaps off pretty easily. So this one will snap off really easily. So this is a choker. I'm going to wear it and show how does it look. This is how it looks on me, and it looks nice. It's like good for one time wear or so. I'm not able to close it myself, so I have to hold it like this. So it looks pretty, it looks nice, it fits very nicely, but then you have to wear it with so much care because it might break off very quickly. It looked so beautiful on the website that I picked it, but I did not expect it to be of such cheap material. And it looks nice. The work here is nice. This is so unfortunate that the quality is not good. So this one is like the first dud I have come across so far. This is not a good one, and I think it was for 190. I don't think it will cost more than 50 rupees if you go to a local market. I have another piece of dangly cute earrings. These are stars. So these stars look amazing. They are so pretty. They are lightweight and they have so much sparkle going on. And this is for 290. Pretty expensive, I must say. I think this is a phone cover. This is a phone cover, and this is for 470. So this is the current cover of my phone, and I have this cover on for almost 1.5 years now. So I thought, it's time to pick a new one. So I picked this one. This is a marble, and this is a jelly case. Okay, it fits nicely, and it's very pretty pink marble. And there is a pop socket inside. So finally, I have a pop socket. I really wanted to buy one, but I did not find it. So this is, I think, a good deal. A pop socket with a phone cover. And the phone cover feels pretty sturdy and of very nice quality. This is for a better hold of your phone, and yeah. So this is the necklace. This is a pearl necklace. Oh, this is extremely pretty, and as you can see, the pearls are pretty bright. They are looking really nice, and it completely fills up the area, this area. I think this is very pretty. I love it. It's pretty heavy, pretty heavy. So let's move on to the next piece. I have another pair of earrings. It's pretty blingy, but I don't think it's metal. I think it's, I don't know. It looks like metal, but it's pretty light. These are pretty blingy. These are metal, but very lightweight. On the website and the picture, they look like a dull gold, but right now they are pretty bright. I'm not sure if I like them now, but yeah, we'll see. Next up, we have another pair of earrings, and this one is very pretty. I was very excited about this one, and this is for 200 rupees, and this is made of metal, and it has a very nice finish. These are pretty big and pretty nice. Very different style from the regular earrings. Very beautiful. So I was looking for new sunglasses and I came across these. These are for 250 rupees, and they feel pretty sturdy and they look nice. So these are the sunglasses. I really like this style, and they look pretty nice and sturdy. And lastly, we have another hairband, which again looks like cat ears, but it has this sequence going on. It looks like this. Oh my god, it came off. I have to glue it back. But this is such a calm chill out job because this came off. This is disappointing, of course. So I was trying to pack this one and this came off, and I haven't even worn it enough. So this came off from here. This is again a pretty, because the pearls are heavy and the band is, I'm not sure if it's metal. If it's metal, it's pretty thin. I have to stick it back, which is very disappointing because this is my favorite piece. This is the makeup brush that I picked. They had a picture of Zoeva makeup brush set on the website, but none of the brushes say Zoeva. So this is like a regular brush set, and it has I don't know, I think this is a 12 piece or 15 pieces brush that I'll mention on the screen. So there is this nice, the bristles feel really nice and soft. There's a foundation brush, this is a contour brush, and then we have a nice powder brush. They are not that long. I mean, these are pretty small, pretty short. Then we have a foundation application brush with a flat top, and then there is a fan brush. There is another contour brush which is like a flat, and then here are the eye makeup brushes. So I'm going to give away this makeup brush set to one of you guys. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below as to why would you like to win this brush set, and I'll announce the winner in 5 days from now. I'll mention the details in the info box. Do not forget to check it out. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick Club Factory haul video. So I spent almost 3,000 rupees on all the stuff, and I believe that the products are slightly overpriced. See, if you're buying online from a website or from a retailer, you might find them on similar prices. But if you go to local market like Sarojini Nagar, you go to Janpat, you will find these at much cheaper prices. So yeah, it totally depends on where you go for your makeup shopping. If you guys enjoyed this Club Factory haul and try on video, if you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then.